I don't know where it is. So let me open the box and see where it is. And this is the spray bottle. This is lunchbox. And last thing is the pencil case. These are how the things look like. Let's open the bag and see. It looks so big. It says Smiggle and you can write your name and my parents' email and phone number. Let's zip it up. And on the front it says Jiggle by Smiggle. I can hear something inside here. Let's see what that is. Oh, this looks so good, guys. Again, there's 2 water bottles. Oh, I'm going to be opening it. Let's try opening it. Oh, it's still not opening. Okay, now let's try. Okay. Oh, look at this lock. Oh. Hold on. Oh, well. Press this hard so it can open. And when you press this, this is where the spray comes from. And let me get this one out. This one looks so good as well. I forgot how to open this. I'm going to take these to school, but I muddled up with these 2 balls because they both look nice. But I really want to take this one because it's a spray bottle and it has so many designs. And thank you for watching my mom's video. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.